Okay, I got a spring here. It's for a door. And the cool part is it's adjustable. You can see there's actually two springs here. One screws inside the other one. So you can put it on your door with hooks, and then you screw it in or out to the desired tension that you like. Okay, so here I'll show you what I'm talking about. Comes with two hooks. See, that just goes on here like this. That's kind of tricky to get in there, you know. Now, sometimes I use an eye bolt, a big eye bolt with a nut and washer on the other side. But these are usually good for most things. And then this screws. That's kind of neat. So you can make it tighter or looser. I'm not going to take it the whole way out because I'll probably never get it started again. So. But you can see where there's two springs there. So it gives you about 6 inches of adjustment. That's usually plenty. You only need like 1 inch or 2. Okay, so I got one hook here. One hook on the door. See, I got that one pointed up. So I'm going to slide this one in here like this. And I got that one pointed up because I'm going to slide this on like this. Kind of hard to do one-handed. And then turn the thing like that. Okay. Good. See, and then that can, if she wants it looser, then she can loosen it up or tighten it. But I think that's good. Maybe a little looser. Okay, so I loosen that up a little bit so there's a crack. She likes it loose so the cats can get out by themselves, you know. They know how to get their hand in there and pull it. So. Okay, so after I find out if that's where she wants it, then I'll take a pair of pliers here and squeeze these together. I think I'll go ahead and do the back side now. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the back side now, so if she messes with the other end, it doesn't fall out. So just kind of squeeze it closed. Okay. And it's loose enough to where, you know, sometimes she props it open, but that's rare. Since I put that on, sometimes she just leaves it on like that so the cats can go in and out when they want. Okay, see ya. So here's another door. This is a steel outside door. You can see here I put big eye bolts in it. Big stainless eye bolt here. There's a nut on the outside, so when the kids go in and out and slam the door, there's no way it's going to come off. Okay, see ya.